Conclusion 1. Smoking increases the risk of all cardiovascular diseases, E, F, G, and H. Conclusion 2. Disease H has the highest percentage increase in risk, 70%, compared to people who have never smoked. Let me give you an exam tip. When a question provides a table, try to use at least one specific piece of data, like 70%, in your answer to back up your conclusion. Next question part, which is 1.8, asks you, describe one lifestyle factor, not smoking, and the answer to this question is high-fat diet or lack of exercise. Exam tip. Read the question carefully. It explicitly says do not refer to smoking. If you write smoking, you get 0 marks even if your statement is scientifically true. Let us move forward to the question 2, which deals with cystic fibrosis and gas exchange. Question part 2.1. Where in a cell would the CF gene be found? Answer: nucleus. And the exam tip is genes are always found on chromosomes, which are located inside the nucleus. Nucleus is the standard expected answer here. Now let's take a look at the next slide and moving forward to next part 2.2 of question 2, which says, identify the lungs, pancreas, and small intestine. Answer: A, E, and D. A equals lungs, E equals pancreas, D equals small intestine. Let me give you an exam tip. The anatomy diagrams are common. Practice labeling the digestive system until you can identify the pancreas, tucked behind under the stomach, and the small intestine, the coiled middle part, instantly. Moving on to the next slide, the next part of the question is 2.3. Explain why a person with CF has difficulty digesting food and gaining mass. And the answer is CF causes thick mucus to block the pancreatic duct, so enzymes cannot reach the small intestine. Food is not broken down into small, soluble molecules, so fewer nutrients are absorbed into the blood. The exam tip is, this is a 6-mark style question. Connect the biological failure, blocked ducts, to the physical symptom, weight loss. Next question is 2.4, asks you to describe a very important command word in GCSE. The 3 features of the alveoli. 1. Large surface area, maximizes the amount of gas exchange at once. 2. Thin walls, 1 cell thick, provides a short diffusion path. 3. Rich blood supply, maintains a steep concentration gradient. The exam tip is, never just say thin walls. Always add 1 cell thick to guarantee the mark. Next question, which is 2.5, examine a tap into your understanding of command words, and here they asks you to explain how reduced oxygen affects the body. So it's an explain the process. The question and answer is justified by explaining the phenomena that less oxygen means a lower rate of aerobic respiration. This results in less energy being transferred for muscle contraction or metabolic process.